Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ukonrat sangma hani kasngi ulaong maka sorkar MDA kalas dang ya ka promotion and incubation of market driven enterprise ne ka prime house nam hajar khat khandai bat ka thong ban aijing kershan ya Kiba Sengkam Sengjam ha ka Jylla nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ulai turu bak sorkar kelawan ra ya ka prime kum kalat ban aijing erap ya kinong Sengkam ha ka lenti ya jongki kabakong san kedai bangin long Kiba Yaisha bat bandon katong bangin kenjo hagani kasngi la pelaj paj baru ya ka prime annual booklet bat ka prime ID funding Myntri Rangbah hagani kasngi ula Aiti ru ya ka Syrnot bat ka song Pisa sya kinong Sengkam ni ki entrepreneurs jong ka Jylla.
The reason why, as soon as the MDA government came in 2018, that we started focusing on entrepreneurship is because I've gone through a very difficult phase of entrepreneurship myself. And this started in 1999. And I still remember preparing my first business plan to start up what we call an internet service provider. And we were the first private internet service providers in the Northeast. And I remember I had the most difficult time in my life. Of course, not to say that I was unwell at that point in time. The day I had to go to the banks to submit my business plan, suddenly I had an upset stomach. And I had to, in fact, prepare the entire presentation and entire final DPR not being well. So I didn't look at it as a very good sign at that point in time. But what I'm trying to tell you is, having gone through that entire process and the difficulty that entrepreneurs face, I felt very strongly that I've been given a chance by God Almighty to really make a difference for the young entrepreneurs, at least who are there now. So being able to provide that environment where somebody can tell you that it's okay to take the risk and fail also, because I also failed. Just hearing that is motivation. So that's really what we are trying to do out here. We want to tell the youth of this state, of this region and of this country that it is okay to try, okay to take risks. It is okay to try new things, and it is absolutely okay to fail also. But it is not okay to not stand up again and not try again and continue fighting for what you believe in and what you think you're doing the right thing. So that's what an entrepreneurship is all about. Just remember one simple P that I always tell people is that you must have the purpose and the passion. Just these two important P's. Otherwise, P is actually very, very powerful, as I said. You have, prayer is very important in life. You must pray. You must realize people are important because team is important. You must realize that your product, your purpose is important. You must realize that passion is important. So all these things are there, but at the end of the day, know what you really think in your heart, believe in it, and don't give up. And that's really what entrepreneurship is. Because you will fail, I should say you will fall, not fail. You will fall, but you get up again. When it comes to entrepreneurship, please remember, it all develops or the ideas come with some kind of a need. Some kind of a crisis, some kind of an opportunity that is there. And all of the stories I heard today, all came out because you realized that there was a need for something. And you realized that there was no product in the market or a process in the market that could fulfill that need. So therefore, an entrepreneur entrepreneurship always realizes an opportunity and a gap and sees it and realizes what is the best way and the most economical way to provide the right solution. So I use the word solution because product and processes are not solutions. They are just
Augustus Shampasha Sten from D-Sten Food Processing, and sometimes Rangbah from Jylla, India. Rangbah from Meghalaya Fabric.